Do you have team members who often miss key tasks? Or maybe they spend so much time reviewing their to-do list manually? What if you could send them a daily task summary automatically before the workday even starts? Hey everyone, welcome back to Open Dashboard. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an automation workflow that emails your team their daily task summary right on schedule. What's Open Dashboard? Open Dashboard is a business management tool that lets you automate tasks, projects, and workflows all in one workspace. To set up your workspace, start by signing up and creating an account on Open Dashboard. Then create your task database. You can either start from scratch or use one of our ready-made templates. Since I already have an account, I will log on to my workspace. To create a database, head to Shared Databases and right in front of it, click the plus icon to give your database a name. You can manually input your columns or import a CSV file. If you are importing, map your fields, preview, and then hit Finish Import. To create your workflow, go to Workflows and click New Workflow. Give it a name and description if you wish. The first step in creating your workflow is to set the trigger. A trigger is what tells your workflow when to start. For this workflow, I'll use the schedule workflow. I'll use the schedule trigger because I want the workflow to run on weekdays at 8 a.m. I'll name this step Schedule Tasks. The second step is to find the task record. To do this, I'll use the find record action to pull in tasks from my database. I'll select the database I created earlier and filter it. I'll name this step find task summary. The third step is to loop through tasks. Now we will loop through the task records and take action. Add loop on item step. This loops through its tasks from the previous step. I'll name this tax item. Inside the loop, I'll send daily summary email. I'll add the action send an email to each team members. Customize the message with tax details so they know exactly what to work on for the day. Finally, click publish. And your daily tax summary workflow is live. And that's it. Your workflow is up and running. Sending automated task summaries every morning. Customize the workflow to fit your team needs. Create as many workflows as you like to automate other parts of your workday. Install this exact workflow from the Open Dashboard Marketplace. Link is in the description. You can watch the other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Got any question? Drop a comment or email us at hi@opendashboard.co. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.